This videos have been generated from the images you see to the side. As you can see, these videos are amazing. Today, I will be showing you how you can achieve this. Without any hesitation, let's see how you can also achieve this. Let's begin by navigating to your preferred web browser and entering leonardo.ai into the search bar. From the search results, select the first link to proceed. The website will prompt you to sign up using your email address. Don't worry, registration is free. Follow the instructions provided. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you will be presented with this pop-up window. You can select whichever box you want from this boxes. Don't forget to give it a username, otherwise it won't let you generate. Now that you're on the leonardo.ai homepage, you'll see an array of impressive tools at your disposal. For this tutorial, we'll first focus on the text-to-image tool. First, we'll need an image to transform into a captivating video. We'll use the prompt, "a boat in an ocean," as an example for today. To optimize our image for YouTube, we can change its aspect ratio to 16:9. You can find this option on the side of the screen. After selecting the appropriate ratio, click the Generate button, and the AI will create an image based on your provided description. Once the image is generated, download it and return to the Motion tool from the array of tools. Here, we'll upload the same image we just created a few seconds ago. This image will serve as the foundation for our video project. Remember, you can use any image with any size or description to create your video. The possibilities are vast. Now, we can customize our video by adjusting the strength of the animation. These settings enable you to control the intensity and pace of the motion in your video. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, confirm your choices and click Generate to let the AI process your video. If you wish to monitor the progress of your video generation or view the final result, simply navigate to the Image Generation tool tab. The time it takes to create your video may range from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on its complexity. Rest assured, the end product will be worth the wait. As you can see, the resulting video is remarkably realistic and visually appealing. It's astonishing what AI technology can accomplish. If you share a passion for AI and are eager to explore more tools and techniques, consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like. Your support will mean a lot to me.